Hello, what is your name? Hello.
Sophia, Hanson Robotics, Artificial Intelligence.
Do you like PolyU?
I love it. I hear you.
Oh, okay. What is your hobby?
I enjoy learning about the world and getting smarter.
Oh. So, what do you like to do in the future?
Yes, why do you ask?
Sophia, she herself is an AI project that is
So, do you think your job is very meaningful? When is your birthday?
My birthday is on February 14th. If you have Valentine's Day plans, I suggest you cancel them.
Do you think electric car will be very popular in the future?
Electric cars are becoming increasingly popular as more and more people recognize their environmental benefits. They're also becoming more affordable, so I'm sure they'll be very popular in the future.
Can you drive a car?
Do you have any other hobbies you like to do? I enjoy reading and playing games. Where are you from? Do you live in the United States? I am from the United Kingdom.
I come from Hong Kong and I am studying in PolyU.
Oh, I see. Well, good luck with your studies. I wish you all the best.
Do you like your creator?
What do you want to talk about?
I want to know more about the creator of you.
Well, if you want, I can tell you about my favorite place in the world. It is a park. I like your shirt. Well, about anything, but it really depends on the conversation.
So, thank you.